In this demonstration, we continue our series showing how payers rely on Softheon to streamline the ACA shopping, enrollment, and payment experiences for potential members. In prior demonstrations, we showed the anonymous shopping and enhanced direct enrollment experiences. This demo shows the final stages of the member's journey: plan selection, premium payment, and account management. Here, our shopper, Sally Stanton, is now ready to confirm her healthcare coverage selection. Once the enhanced direct enrollment portion of the shopping experience is completed, Sally is redirected to the payer's branded shopping experience to complete the enrollment process. The shopper is presented with a summary of the remaining steps of the enrollment process. Once they review the summary, the shopper clicks Begin Enrollment. Sally is then presented with tax credit selection. Sally chooses how much of the tax credit they wish to apply each month to their premium. Sally selects the full amount and clicks Next. Sally is then asked about tobacco usage. As Sally is not a smoker, she leaves the box unchecked and clicks Next. Sally is then asked about their household members and how they are organized in multiple eligibility groups. As she is in a single-person household, no additional selections need to be made, so there's no need to select Change Group. She then clicks View Plans to select the appropriate plan for that group. Sally is then presented with a list of the carrier's plans and their confirmed tax credits applied to the selection's premium costs. The top section, Selected Plans, is empty until a selection is made. When she chooses a plan that's right for her, she clicks Enroll. That selection then populates the selected plan section with their plan selection. They may select multiple plans for one or more groups. However, in this case, Sally is in a single-person household, so they only select one plan. Once their plan has been selected for all applicable eligibility groups, Sally clicks Continue with this plan. Sally is then asked to review their selections. Once they are satisfied with their health plan choices, they click Next. Sally is then presented with terms and conditions related to eligibility status. After agreeing with the conditions and e-signing the agreement, she can submit their enrollment selection. After the enrollment has been submitted, Sally is presented with next steps, expected communications, and instructions on how to update eligibility information. The final step for a shopper is to make a binder payment. In addition to a mailed paper invoice, Softheon will present Sally with a Pay Now link, which allows for immediate binder payment. This will ultimately result in faster effectuation of coverage. Sally selects Pay Now, which then takes her to the binder payment portal. Since Sally only has one available plan, it is selected by default. They can then select any or all of the balance amount to pay. She selects the current amount, which is the full binder payment. She is then asked to choose to make payment via credit debit card or via checking or savings account. She chooses the credit debit option and enters all necessary information, clicks the confirmation box, and then clicks Submit Payment. She is then presented with confirmation of payment. This completes the binder payment process. Sally is then processed by Coverall Insurance through their effectuation process. Once effectuated, Sally is now a member of that health plan. They can then create an account to manage payments and change selected account information. Note that not all member information can be changed through the branded self-service portal. CMS does require some information be managed separately through the member's healthcare.gov account. Let's take a closer look at an active member's account and what can be managed directly through Coverall Insurance's self-service portal. This page can be accessed not just by the member, but by other authorized individuals such as the plan administrator, plan customer service representatives, or an authorized broker. The member portal provides role-based access which can be configured during initial implementation of the Softheon solution. For Sally, we can see that there is a current payment of $341.07 due by the end of the current month. We can also see there is an auto payment scheduled. If Sally is the one accessing the member record, the self-service portal presents related actions, including reviewing bills and notices, electing to receive bills and notices electronically, adding payment methods, and viewing payment history. She will also be able to determine how and when payments are made. If Sally needs to make a one-time payment, she can select either the Make a Payment buttons. She will then have the ability to use a payment method previously created or add a new payment method for a one-time payment. She can also set the date for this one-time payment to take place. If the payment is to take place at a later date, it can be reviewed in the Scheduled Payments section at a later time. When Sally navigates to the Auto Pay section of her account, we see that it is set to pay the full premium on the 25th of each month. If she needs to take action on her auto pay setting, she can do so from this screen. Sally has the ability to edit current auto pay settings or remove the auto pay selection altogether. If Sally needs to set up a new auto pay, she can click the Set up Auto Pay button and complete the necessary fields before reviewing and saving the payment method. This concludes our demo on plan enrollments and payments, and concludes our three-part series showcasing the shopping and member experience for health plans purchased through the Affordable Care Act federally facilitated marketplace. For more demonstration videos or to learn more, visit softheon.com/health-plans.